Today I'm going to be making some really nice blackberry tarts. In a prior video, I made some pastry dough that we're going to be using today, and I also made some French pastry cream, which we're also going to be using in this recipe. So I got myself a cookie cutter here, and we're also going to be using just a regular cupcake tin. So I'm going to get this rolled out, and then we'll get started on this recipe. Get a little bit of flour now. That's just all-purpose flour. And when you're rolling, you always want to give your dough a little bit of a turn. And if you find that it's sticking a little bit, just get some flour down. You can also take your rolling pin and apply your flour right to the rolling pin. And then just keep rolling. Give it a little turn. Roll it again. So I'll just get that in there. So I'll keep doing these, and I'll fill up all of the cavities, and then I'll come back. And that looks good. Perfect. I'm going to grab a fork, and I'm just going to apply little holes to the bottom. And I do want to chill this, so I'm going to pop this into the fridge for about a half an hour. I want that to rest up. And I'll do the last one here. So at this point, I'm going to pop these into the fridge and let my dough relax. The more relaxed your dough is, the less it will actually shrink when we're baking it. So I'm going to pop these into my fridge, let them chill down, then I'll come back. So these have been chilling for about half an hour, and I'm going to pop them into my 325 degree oven for about 30 minutes. So my little pastry shells have baked for a total of 30 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. These are nicely browned. I'm really liking the look of these. So I'm just going to fill up my piping bag here, and then we're going to fill our tarts. And if you've never tried this pastry cream, I really encourage you to try it. It is amazing. So just gently place right in the middle. The pastry cream really holds these in well, as you can see. And choose the nicest ones. Look at that. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I'd really appreciate that. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.